Welcome to my channel. I'm glad you're here. I am going to use the Erica Hughes spinner again. I am going to do my modified split base bloom on a 12 by 24 inch canvas. I have never attempted one because I did not have a spinner large enough to do one on. So I'm pretty excited to try it. I'm gonna get you down on the canvas and let's see if we can make something beautiful. Hi, I'm experimenting today with just some different colors and things that I have left over. Now that I have my spinner, my big spinner, I want to see if I can do a split base bloom on this 12 by 24 canvas. So I just have some leftover bloom paints. It's a Shelly Art bloom technique that I do with these paints. I've got just some leftovers here. I've got Zeus. I've got Whitehaven. These are TLPs. This little piggy pigments. You can get them at the Fluid Art Co. They just have a shimmer. I have a yellow that's left over. I have no idea what is in that. I have a Nebula. It's a TLP. I have a green. I have no idea how I made that color. I also have Crescendo in a TLP. I have a Dioxazine purple. It's just a tube paint. And I have another like a violet. I think that's like a Liquitex Basics. It's just a tube paint too. I had a little bit of Sherwin-Williams Color to Go in Cheerful left in a can. And I also had a little bit of Killam Beige by Sherwin-Williams Color to Go as well. And I just added a little bit of my PPG Multi-Pro White to that and kind of lightened down the Cheerful because it was like really bright like this yellow. So like I said, just experimenting. I'm not going to talk a whole lot. If you guys want to know about the bloom technique, please go check out Shelly Art. She has a course and it's a great thing to purchase, and if you really want to get really good at it, do that. I'm just going to lay this paint down and we'll go from there. Got way too much paint on here. That's okay. This is just leftover paint anyway. You don't want to mix the two though when you're doing like a split base, so just make sure that your spatula is clean after you do the whole getting over the edges. That works. Should come off once we give it a little spin. That color's gonna dry a little darker. Looks like I've got it all around my corners and my edges. I just want to make sure that I have enough of it off. I think I do. What we're gonna do is just do dots and use a little blower. That's all I really need. And then my tool for doing that, I'll get in a minute. All right. So let's start in the middle. I'm thinking the middle is probably about right there. And I want to do, I think I want to put the dark colors on the bottom. Like I said, this is just an experiment. I've never done this on a canvas this large. Trying to get an idea of where I want them. I just want to see how this moves on the spinner. Please let me know in the comments below if you'd like to see more experimental things from me, because 2025 is just going to be a year of like doing things I've never done before. So I hope that you guys are along for the journey and up to it. And I'm experimenting when putting the colors in different areas on each one. Usually I put them in the same order, but today is just an experiment to see what happens. Okay, there's the violet. I'm gonna do this gold and that. A little bit of orange. Orange. A little bit of green. There. There. The Whitehaven and the Zeus, I'm just gonna kind of sprinkle on top. I'm gonna give it a little sparkle. It's like a bunch of flowers, doesn't it? All right. Fun. No idea if these colors are going to work together, but we're going to give it a shot. Cell activator. Cool little fractals going on there. There. All these paints are mixed with all different kinds of stuff, really. Been experimenting, so no telling what we're going to get here. But I wanted to see what this looks like when I blow it out. Cell activator may be a little thin, but we'll try it out. All right, now I'm ready. Paint on my cord. Super pretty. Why didn't you guys tell me my cord was in the paint? I put that there so it doesn't get on my cord. I think I need a more defined middle. That's really pretty. Okay. I'll put that on there so I couldn't get my hand dirty. Just sit that right there. I don't think it's in the way. I'm gonna do all my swirlies after I spin. I think I'm good with the yellow here. Let's spin her out a little bit. I love the colors. It's very springy, very Easter-like. Love it. Do it again. Oh, love this spinner. Okay, let me get my tool and let's do some beautiful swirlies in here. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, let's move this. So pretty, so delicate. Oh, so pretty. Wow, I'm super impressed with this. So wispy and pretty. Oh, wow. Please let me know what you guys think in the comments, because I think it's beautiful. Can't wait for it to dry. It's exactly what I was hoping for. Oh, wow. Super pretty. I love the movement. And it was just leftover colors. I was just testing to see if I could do it on a bigger scale. This is 12 by 24, the biggest I've done my split base modified bloom on. So yeah, I'm hoping it all dries well. Yeah, super pretty. Okay, I'm gonna move it. Oh, it's so springy. Love it. All right, turn you guys off. Be right back. Here's the finished piece. It is absolutely beautiful. Now this is has no finish on it. It is absolutely beautiful. Those pigments just sparkle. I'm going to leave it like this. I'm not going to put any finish on it. And it's already sold, by the way. It's sold before it dried. Sold to a collector of mine who had been waiting for me to do this on a larger piece. Can't wait to go bigger. Super pretty. Isn't that beautiful? You guys let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Talk to you guys soon.